Welcome to the first video of 2023. One of the topics in this video, Dell are doing advanced scientific experiments. First of all, I want to thank all my patrons, members, donors and subscribers. All of you are important for me. Thank you very much. Today's first video is from the channel Beyond the Imaginary Curve. You know, the Scottish one, Dell. And here he will do a great scientific experiments. Enjoy.
Right, this is a wee test to look at how liquid and gas within a containment. My lovely assistant Marty here is going to demonstrate how liquid and gas behave in a situation of acceleration. So we're in the car, we've got the bottle sitting nice and level, and I'm going to hand that to Marty and we're going to look at what happens at points of acceleration. We ready?
Uh-huh.
Now decelerate. Right, and we're just going to do that once more. I'll be in here.
Oh, even in the corner making blocks.
Right.
Dazzled.
Are we ready? You camera on there, Marty? Aye?
Yep.
Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Air goes forward, water goes back. Hitting the brakes,
Accelerate.
water goes forward,
Yep.
air goes back.
So, what we see in the situation there is that the air references the directionality of acceleration. So that being that the water gets thrown to the back of the bottle and the air gets propelled forward, so the air shows you the direction of acceleration. So that's what happens in a sealed unit of liquid and gas, and it displays acceleration and deceleration for us. Now we'll move on to the next part of that.
So Dell is doing a CC, making videos in the car, and I think I know where he's going with this. Let's continue with this high-level science experiment.
Right, so as we showed in the car, acceleration, the same will happen if Marty forces that bottle down the way. This part here was difficult to capture on camera. I would need to set up apparatus, but anybody can try this. So if you get the bottle with air in it and you accelerate it yourself in any direction, so down, up, you'll see that you'll get a reversal. So the direction that you accelerate the thing in, the air's going to go to the direction of your acceleration. In this case, if Marty's forcing the bottle downwards, the liquid in here goes up the way and the air goes to the bottom. Okay, you can try that yourself. It's hard to see there, but
If you step back a wee bit and get a wider angle. Right, so
you can hear it. You can hear the slosh. You can hear it sloshing. If you try it yourself, you'll see it. It's not really relevant anyway. This is just an extra wee bit we put in. Right. So, yeah. Hopefully we're catching that.
right.
Yeah.
I love the camera work, Dell. Great job. Very exciting experiment. Oh dear.
So we'll need to do it in the box. What we're going to do in the box, the point is so Mark, the same again, if we hold the bottle like this and we swing in a circular motion, right, everybody knows that the water goes to the back and the air goes to the inward point, right? It's the same as in the car. So wherever we've got an acceleration, the air bubble shows us the direction of the acceleration. Right, that's very simple and very clear to understand. Right, so now what we have to go to, you'll see in these examples when I show it in the box that when we let the object go, there is no displacement, there is no movement of anything. So we'll talk about that in a minute. Right, as we can see in these situations,
What's the level of the water? Right.
Oh dear, they can't be serious. Oh.
And we're gonna put this in a box and we're gonna show the camera videoing it better so that the two of them are side by side.
But what you will see is I can see as I'm dropping it, the water level doesn't change.
No, we'll show that in the box when the camera's right next to it. So the point being to this, that gravity is claimed to be a force or a fictitious force, or
Hurry up, Del, hurry up. Your phone will die soon. Oh dear.
you could think of it as a force that acts upon objects, that accelerates them towards the earth. Right? Now, as we've just shown and demonstrated, when we have acceleration acting, so in the case of the car is the thing that accelerates, that acts upon me, Marty, and Marty holding the object, which is the bottle with the liquid and the gas within it. So it's being accelerated, and what we see is a shift. We see the water going at the back and the air denoting the directionality of the acceleration. Now, if gravity is claimed to be a force that accelerates objects, well, when we let objects go, we should see the exact same thing happening. We should see the air move to the bottom and the liquid to the top, because the air shows the direction of acceleration. So now we're going to see if that's what actually happens. So, Marty's up here. We've got the glass bottle in the box. We're going to put the camera in next to the box, and Marty's going to drop it and I'm going to catch it, and we're going to see what we see. So I'll pass that up to you, Marty. Just watch you don't touch the screen, because you'll switch it off. Lovely box.
And come up. Fingers crossed. Right. 3, 2, 1.
Go again.
Oh, I can smell the log burner up here. 3, 2, 1.
As I told you, scientific experiments at a high level. Oh dear.
Right. So, as we can see, feel that there's absolutely no change. The water and the air remain the way they were. So, what can we conclude? What can we surmise from this? What's your thoughts on it, Marty?
If it was an acceleratory force, then the water would try and move up,
Yeah,
and the air would go down.
as we see.
Aye. If it's a constant force, there would be no difference.
Yeah,
That's just what I would assume.
yeah. So, there you have it. You're being claiming I mean, and this is the thing, you can't wriggle out of this. The globe Earth wants to claim that objects and everything are being accelerated to the Earth at 9.8 metres per second squared. Now, we've just shown what happens in a stage of acceleration. Right? So even, what are you going to do, Marty?
I was going to say that wasn't a stage accelerator, well, apparent acceleration.
Well, this is what I'm saying, this is what it should show.
Sorry.
So if we get that bottle, I just want to see the bottle a minute. Right, there we go. So again, if I go, that's acceleration.
Even if you're doing a longer pace, right? So if we start here where it's level, and if I start accelerating,
Yeah,
it hits the back.
you see it right away.
If I try and take a constant speed,
Yeah, it remains
see
fixed. Right.
so even back the way.
So, we know then that the air denotes the point of motion or acceleration. Now, what's the orientation of that? Air at the top, water at the bottom. Therefore, yes,
Upwards.
that must be the conclusion.
Know what it is? It's actually this bottle came to Australia.
That's it better now.
Still the same. And
So
you're
no.
saying, if I was to accelerate that, right, rather than just letting it drop at its normal speed,
Yeah, and yeah,
you see the water hitting the top.
yeah. And you can hear it, you can hear the slosh,
Aye.
because that's what happens in a point of acceleration. Right? This is, it's that simple. you know, we can look at, you know, oh, wait a minute, I've done something to the camera there. Cancel, right? So we can practically demonstrate what happens in a situation of acceleration, as we've just shown. So globe Earth proponents are claiming the things are being accelerated. The test, the practical demonstration doesn't show that.
And anybody can try that.
Anybody can try that, Marty, exactly. This is
If that's any magical liquid that's straight out the tap.
This is repeatable, you know, and you can do it in a centrifuge. So if you rotate the bottle, the same happens.
In fact, I'll show that there's nothing wrong. It is pure water.
Yep. Yep. Exactly. Right, no tricks. So let's have a discussion about that.
Yes, let's have a discussion about this in the comment section. What do you think about Dell's fantastic experiments, and what did he get wrong? Looking forward to read your comments. Let's move on to the next flat earth scientist, Brian's logic.
Water levels are gravimeters. What I mean by that is, if you state that because you own a water level, that means that level is horizontal. That's the same thing as someone else stating that because they own a gravimeter, that gravity exists. They're both begging the question fallacies. So you can't state that water levels prove that level is horizontal, because all you have is a local level to go off, and mathematically that's not enough. Because an opposing force can claim spherical mass based on a 3959 radius and gain a draw in an argument with you. So water levels are no different than gravimeters when you look at them in that way.
Thank you, Brian's logic, for that not so logic video. During the Christmas, one of the contacts I have in Ukraine have died in combat, and I have sent one more drone. So far 7 or 8 of the 14 drones that have arrived have been shot down. I have decided that all earnings from the channel, ad revenues, memberships, super chats and so on will go to drones. If you want to help me help Ukraine with drones, please use PayPal, because there is no fees on PayPal. I hope you liked this video. I will be back soon with more videos and lives. Have a nice day. See you soon. Bye.